Alright guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to enter in products. This is going to be a short and sweet video, pretty self-explanatory. It's a two-stage process to adding products on the InstaShop. I'm going to show you guys both ways. You do not want to skip this video. This is an important video. So first thing first, I'm going to show you guys how the website looks out the box. Out the box, if you have an InstaShop, most likely your website came like this, where it has placeholder stuff, basically telling you where to do things at. Like you're gonna have your side slide bar, you're gonna have the slide banner, you're gonna have your headline text, more headline text. These are where the products are just placed. You don't have to put products here. You can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you guys a good layout. And I have like a placeholder video. So I'm showing you 4 products, placeholder text. So back here in the back office of the site, if I go here to all products, right? First I want to add a product, and then I want to name the product. Then I want to give a description of the product, right? Then I want to add a media file here. All right, so I'll add a picture of the product. If I created collections, I can add it to a collection, but that's another video on doing collections. So you click here and you would add it to whatever collection you want to add it to over here once you create the collection. But to finish the product, I'll do the pricing, $19.99. All right, and then I'll do $24.99. All right, so this is just giving it as showing that it was like discounted. $24.99, it'll show discounted $5. You don't have to do that. If you want to put this here, customers won't see this. This just lets you know how to calculate your profit margin. So if your product was $5 per item that you purchase and you're selling it for $19.99, your profit margins are 75%. So you make $15. Charge tax on your product. I always like to take the quantity off. That's up to you if you want to track it. I like to select off. All right, I skip all of this information here. I skip weight, I skip custom information, I skip harmonized system code. You don't need any of that. Variants. If you're selling clothing, you would probably do something like small, medium, large, XL, large. And all I'm doing is hitting S enter, M enter, L enter, XL enter, and then it can show the product. But if I'm selling something like hair, I probably want to change this word from size to put like inches. And then I'll change inches would be like 12. Hit the enter button. Or you can do 14. You can do comma. Do 16, comma, 18, comma. And that's how it works. If you want to put bundles together, you have to do like 12 space, 14 space, 16. Then you hit enter. As if you're doing bundles and you want them to all be together. So, yeah, that's if you're doing bundle deals. But if you're not doing bundle deals, it's just 20. You can either do comma or enter. 22, comma. So if you're trying to also change where it's the origin, you change the option on the second option, then you click over here. You want to hit Brazilian, enter, Peruvian, enter. Right? So you can do a third option, but here's the catch. Shopify does not allow you to have more than 100 max variants. This section here is called variants. So if you're trying to sell wigs and you have a lot of different options, you're going to need a custom system to be able to do a custom wig building system, to be able to have infinite options, right? So let's say if you wanted to give them a choice of adding a frontal or a closure, you got to remember you have to create these products. So if you don't create frontal or closure, putting it here doesn't mean anything. So let's just say if I said closures, like this is getting more advanced. And then I'll do the word frontal, enter, closure, enter. So you can have 3 options at max. And I got all the way up to 22, and I got a couple different origins. So you can add more origins. If I wanted to add Indian, I can do that. All right, so I'm gonna hit save. Now remember this: if I hit save and then I decided, damn, I forgot. Well, excuse me. If I forgot that I forgot to add 24, it's faster to delete all of these variants and then go back and then start over from 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Because if I hit save, and then now all my products are saved, it saves all those different variants and it multiplies it for each one. So it shows 12 Brazilian, 12 Peruvian, frontal closure, and it multiplies it. If I say, dang, I forgot to add 24, it's really no way to add 24. When you select add variant, this is a really long process of trying to add 24, then 26, then 28. So it's actually faster to click this box here, more actions, and then delete variants, and then start this process over. All right, so that's how you add the products. So you would go in and you would adjust the price. So if all the 12s are one price, you adjust the price, right? And then you have to adjust it. So if the 12 Brazilian frontal is 150, then the 12 Brazilian closer is 100, and then the 12 Brazilian, this is 150, and then this will be 100 again because that's the closure with the closure. Then the Indian would be 200. Then with the frontal would be, with the closure would probably be 175, right? So there you go. You would go down and you would change the prices. So that's how you enter the products on the back end. So once you save products, this is how you enter them on the front end of the website. So you have to save the product, and then you go to the front end of the website. You click online store, you click customize, and the most important option is going to be home page. So you're going to scroll down over here that says home page. And I have everything kind of, if you scroll down to the left, I have everything listed in order. Headline is the headline. These words that means headline. The second headline is the headline. So I can change any text here. This third headline, if I keep scrolling down, third headline is the third headline. So if you don't want the drop down, you just click it drop back up so that way you can see everything clearer. So I bring it back up. So now I got an option for 4 different products. If I scroll down, what do I see? 4 different products. So I have to click in product and I have to select the product. And then I can select it. And now it's there. I can make it show full width or half width. Full width, it'll look like that. Half width, it'll look like that. Alright. And then I basically would have to hit save. So I can add another product. Of course I only have 1 product. Now I got 2 products. I can click here. I can add another product. I have 3 products. And I click there. I can add another product. 4 products. So here's a pro tip. I have 4 products in, but what if you have a bunch of products? You want to show more products. Right here where it says add content, you click add content, you select button, and you can grab this and you can drag it. And you would drag it under the products, and now it's a button that pops there. I want to see everything. So or see more. So let's say I say see more. I can click link and I can attach it to products, and I can attach it to all products. So now when customers scroll through the first 4 products, they can click this button to see all products. But you have to create this button if it's not already there. You can put the word see everything, see more, learn more, buy more, whatever you wanted to say, you can say that. So if you don't like the color, you can change the color. All right, boom. All right, you can make it round. Boom. You can make it smaller. But if I do that, because the word everything is so long, it breaks down. So I have to use a shorter word. See more. All right, so it's still kind of long. If I want to change the font size down, I can change the font size down and make it smaller. All right, there we go. Alright, so that's how you do that. And then again, I got my parallax, my headline, I have my YouTube. So parallax just means it's like a little fade. So if you put a picture in the background here inside of parallax, or I'm still inside a button. You see how I almost got confused? You have to make sure you're in the right option. So click the button, pick that back up, click in parallax. If I click an image, upload image, alright, I just like this picture. So now if I put that back here, it has like a little fade over, like a move with the words moving, right? So there you go. So that's how you do that. I'm going to save this, and that's the end of this video on how to add products.